Let's start with something you've probably done today. You Googled something. Maybe it was a recipe, maybe a weird rash, or maybe, how does Google actually work? Because let's be real, Google seems like magic. You type in a few words and within milliseconds, it gives you the best answer out of billions of websites. But it's not magic, it's engineering. And today, I'm breaking it down in simple language. So how does Google go from your random question to the perfect answer? Let's find out. Let's go through them one by one. First is crawling. Imagine the internet as a massive city with billions of buildings, and inside each building are books, signs, documents, videos, and more. Google sends out digital spiders, also called web crawlers, to explore this city. These bots scan websites and follow links, like walking through doors from page to page. If a site allows it, Google crawls every corner it can reach. If a site blocks it using a file called robots.txt, the crawler skips it. These crawlers are always at work, discovering new pages, updates, and changes 24/7. Second is indexing. Now imagine those crawled pages being sent to a giant library. That's the Google Index, a massive database containing information about billions of web pages. But Google doesn't just store the page. It analyzes it. What is the page about? What keywords are used? How fast does it load? Is it mobile friendly? What images are on it? It breaks down text, structure, links, and even context. All of this is stored in Google's index, ready to be pulled up in a search. Fun fact, not every page that gets crawled gets indexed. If a page looks spammy, irrelevant, or low quality, Google might skip it. Third is ranking. Now here's where the real magic happens, search ranking. You type a search like best coffee machine under $100, and Google instantly sifts through its entire index to find the most relevant, trustworthy, and useful results. But how does it decide what ranks at the top? It uses a complex algorithm based on over 200 ranking factors, including keyword relevance, page quality and structure, site speed, mobile usability, backlinks who links to this page, user behavior like bounce rate or click-throughs. And yes, artificial intelligence plays a role too, helping Google understand search intent. Like, did you want to buy a coffee machine? Read reviews, watch videos. Google's goal is simple: show you the best possible answer to your question as fast as possible. Sometimes you don't even need to click. Google gives you the answer right there in a box. That's called a featured snippet. And now with AI overviews being tested, Google might summarize multiple results using machine learning. That means the future of Google search is even more predictive, personalized, and fast. So, next time you search something on Google, just remember, before you even typed your question, Google had already crawled the internet, indexed the right answers, and ranked the best ones in a fraction of a second. It's not magic, it's crawling, indexing, and ranking at an insane scale. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with, what should I explain next? Because tomorrow, we'll break down another mystery. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.